Good morning, students. This is your mathematics section for grade 7th. Our chapter name is fraction. Under fraction, already we have discussed addition of fraction, subtraction of fraction, then multiplication of fraction. We are seeing about division of fraction. Okay, so in the last class we have discussed what is reciprocal of a fraction and then division of fraction. The first heading, dividing a whole number by a fraction. These things we have completed in the last class. So what is reciprocal of a fraction? Reciprocal of a fraction can be obtained by interchanging the numerator and denominator. Okay, so today we are going to see dividing a fraction by a fraction. Dividing a fraction by a fraction. So example 17. Example 17, page number 29. Page number 29. Example 17. Divide the following fraction. The first question is 1 by 7 divided by 5 by 7. The first question is 1 by 7 divided by 5 by 7. So first question, 1 by 7 divided by 5 by 7. Okay, so write the first fraction same as it is. Okay, first write the first fraction 1 by 7. Don't change anything in this fraction. Write the same fraction 1 by 7. Then this division symbol will change into multiplication symbol. This division sign will change into multiplication sign. Then take the reciprocal for the second fraction. Okay, take reciprocal for the second fraction. What is the reciprocal of 7 by 5? Reciprocal of 7 by 5 is reciprocal of 5 by 7. Reciprocal of 5 by 7 is, yes, very good, 7 by 5. Reciprocal of 5 by 7 is 7 by 5. So reciprocal of 5 by 7 is 7 by 5. Now multiply the numerator. 1 into 7 divided by 7 into 5. 1 into 7 divided by 7 into 5. There is any common factor, means just cancel each other. Here we can cancel 7 and 7, right? 7, 7. So then remaining number 1 by 5. So your answer is 1 by 5. Your answer is 1 by 5. The first step is first write the first fraction same 1 by 7. Then change the division sign into multiplication sign. Put into. Then take the reciprocal for the second fraction. That 5 by 7 will change us into 7 by 5. If there is any common factor, means just cancel each other. So your answer is 1 by 5. Okay. Now take the second question. B. 2 by 9 divided by 2 by 3. 2 by 9 divided by 2 by 3. Okay, what is the first step? First write the first fraction, say 2 by 9. Then this division sign will change us into multiplication sign. Then take the reciprocal for the second fraction. The 2 by 3 will change us to 3 by 2. So if next, multiply a fraction by a fraction. Multiply the numerators 2 into 3 divided by 9 into 2. Okay, if there is any common factor, means just cancel each other. Here we can cancel 2 and 2. This place will become 1. Then 1 3 is 3. 3 3s are 9. Then multiply the remaining numbers and write the answer. 1 into 1, 1. 3 into 1, 3. So your answer is 1 by 3. Understand? This is your answer. Then third question, 5 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. Okay, first convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 5 into 2, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1, 11. So 11 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. Then follow your steps. Write the first fraction same 11 by 2. Then this division symbol will change into multiplication symbol. Then take the reciprocal for Then take the reciprocal. The 1 by 2 changes to 2 by 1. Now multiply the numerators. 11 into 2 divided by 2 into 1. Check whether there is any common factors. Here we can cancel 2 and 2. So 1 2 is 2. 1 2 is 2. Multiply the remaining numbers. 11 into 1, 11 divided by 1. So our answer is 11. Understand? Yes. Next, third, last question. 3 1 by 5 divided by 2 1 by 2. 3 1 by 5 divided by 2 1 by 2. First convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 1, 16 by 5 divided by 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 by 2. Okay. Now 16 by 5. This division symbol changes to multiplication symbol. Then take the reciprocal for the second term. The 5 by 2 will changes to 2 by 5. So 16 into 2 divided by 5 into 5. Check whether there is any common factor. No, there is no common factors. Now multiply and write the answer. 16 into 2 is 16 into 2, 32 divided by 25. 32 divided by 25. Here our answer is in the form of improper fraction. So convert it into mixed fraction. Okay. So 32, 25, 1 times. So when you are subtracting, you will be getting 7. So our answer is 1 7 by 25. This is your answer. Do you all understand? Yes. Okay, our next question. Example 18. Same page number. Okay, page number 27. Our question is the width of the rectangular plot of area 50 1 by 2 square meter is 10 1 by 10 meter. The width of the rectangular plot of area 51 by 2 square meter is 10 1 by 2 meter. What is the length of the plot? They have given the area of the rectangular plot, then width also they have given. We are going to find the length of the plot. Okay, the area is 51 by 2 square meter. The width is 10 1 by 10 meter. We are going to find the length of the plot. Okay, first write the given statements. Area of the rectangular plot, it is given in the question, that is 51 by 2 square meter. Then width of the rectangular plot is 10 1 by 10 1 by 10 meter. 10 1 by 10 meter. We all know what is the formula for area of a rectangle. What is the formula for area of the rectangle? Yes, very good. Length into width. Okay, length into breadth or width. We can say breadth or width. Area of a rectangle is length into width. So we all know the value for area and width. We are going to find the value for length. Okay, so area of a rectangle plot is 51 by 2 square meter. Width is 10 1 by 10 meter. We are going to find the length of the plot. So length of the rectangular plot is area divided by width. Area divided by width. We know the value for area and width. So first write area, that is 51 by 2 divided by width is 10 1 by 10. 51 by 2 divided by 10 1 by 10. So now convert this into improper fraction. 50 into 2. 50 into 2 is 100. 100 plus 1, 101. 101 divided by 2 divided by 10 tens are 10 into 10. Yes, very good. 100. So 10 into 10, 100. 100 plus 1, 101 divided by 10. Now we are going to divide a fraction by a fraction. So 101 divided by 2. First write the first fraction same. Then change the division symbol into multiplication symbol. So it changes to. So 101 divided by 2. Then division sign will changes into multiplication sign. Then take the reciprocal for 101 by 10. That is changes to 10 by 101. Okay. So we can write as 101 divided by 2 into 10 here into 101. If there is any common factor means just cancel each other. Here we can cancel 2 and 10, right? 1 2 is 2, 5 2s are 10. Here 101 cancel. If there is any same number in the numerator and denominator means we can cancel each other. Okay, cut it and write 1. So then multiply the remaining numbers and write the value. So 1 into 5 divided by 1. So our answer is 5. The length of the rectangular plot is 5 meter. Length of the rectangular plot is 5 meter. This is your answer. Understand? Okay students, our next topic is dividing a fraction by a whole number. Dividing a fraction by a whole number. Example 19, page number 27. Example 19, page number 27. Solve the following. The first question is 4 by 5 divided by 12. Good solution. 4 by 5 divided by 12. 4 by 5 divided by 12. So first write the question. 4 by 5 divided by, write the whole number in the form of fraction. So if there is no denominator means you will put 1, right? So it is 4 by 5 divided by 12 by 1. Now do the division. 4 by 5, this division sign will changes to, yes, division sign will changes to multiplication sign. Then take the reciprocal for the second fraction. So 12 by 1 changes to 1 by 12. 12 by 1 changes to 1 by 12. So now multiply a fraction by a fraction. 4 into 1 divided by 5 into 12. Check whether there is any common factors. Here we can cancel 4 and 12. 1 4 is 4, 3 4s are 12. So multiply the remaining numbers. 1 into 1, 1 divided by 5 3s are 15. So answer is 1 by 15. Understand? Okay, second question. 5 1 by 2 divided by 3. 5 1 by 2 divided by 3. First convert this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1 11. 11 by 2 divided by, then write the whole number in the form of fraction, that is 3 by 1. So next do the division. 11 by 2, this division sign will changes to multiplication sign. Then take the reciprocal for the second fraction, that is 1 by 3. 3 by 1 changes to 1 by 3. Now multiplication. 11 into 1 divided by, yes, 2 into 3. Here no common factors, so just multiply. 11 into 1 11 divided by 2 into 3, 2 into 3 6. So our answer is in the form of improper fraction, so convert it into mixed fraction. 11 6 1 6 is 6, balance 5. So our answer is 1 5 by 6. Clear? Okay, the next question. C. 6 1 by 5 divided by 5. 6 1 by 5 divided by 5. So first convert it into non-proper fraction. 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 1, 31. 31 by 5 divided by, write in the form of fraction, 5 by 1. So 31 by 5 into 1 by 5. Very good. 31 by 5 into 1 by 5. So 31 into 1 divided by 5 into 5. No common factor, so multiply and write. 31 divided by 21. Still it is in the form of improper fraction. So convert it into mixed fraction. 31, 25, 1 times 25. When you are subtracting, your answer is 6. So answer is 1 6 by 25. Clear? So then last question. 9 divided by 16 divided by 6 divided by 6. Okay, so 9 by 16 divided by 6 by 1. So 9 by 16. So this division symbol changes into multiplication symbol. So 1 by 6. Take the reciprocal for 6 by 1. It is 1 by 6. So 9 into 1 divided by 16 into 6. Okay. Then cancel. 2 3s are 6. 3 3s are 9. I have cancelled in the 3 table. 2 3s are 6. 3 3s are 9. So 3 into 1 3. 16 into 2 is 32. Your answer is 3 by 32. Clear? Then our last question, example 20, page number 30. Suma bought 10 meter of cloth for rupees 210, 1 by 2. Find the cost of 1 meter of cloth. Suma bought 10 meter of cloth for rupees 210 divided by 2. Find the cost of 1 meter of cloth. So total cost of the cloth is rupees 210 1 by 2. Length of the cloth is 10 meter. Okay, you are going to find cost of 1 meter cloth. Cost of 1 meter cloth. For that we need to divide total cost divided by length of the cloth. We are going to divide the total cost by the total cost divided by length of the cloth. Total cost is 210 1 by 2 divided by 10. Okay, so first convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 210 into 2 is 420. Okay, 420 plus 1, 421 by 2 divided by 10 by 1. Now divide the two fraction. 421 divided by 2. 421 divided by 2. This division sign changes to multiplication sign. Then write the reciprocal, that is 1 by 10. So 421 into 1 divided by 2 into 10. Check whether there are any common factors. No common factors. So 421 divided by 2 into 10 is 20. Now 421 divided by 20. 2 times 40, 21, again 1 times 20, balance 1. So our answer is 21 1 by 20. Okay, so cost of 1 meter of cloth is rupees 21 1 by 20. This is your answer. Okay, so just listen again. 210 1 by 2. When you are converting it into improper fraction, the answer is 421 by 2. So 421 by 2, this division sign will changes into multiplication sign. Then take the reciprocal, that is 1 by 10. 421 into 1 divided by 2 into 10. Check whether there are any common factors. No common factors. So multiply it and write. 421 into 1 is 421 divided by 2 into 10 is 20. Now the answer is in the form of improper fraction. Convert it into mixed fraction. Okay. So our answer is 21 1 by 20. The cost of 1 meter cloth is rupees 21 1 by 20. Clear? Okay students, this is all today's portion. Revise all the portions and complete the classwork and homework. If you have any doubt means, please ask me in the Zoom class. Okay. Thank you all.